Hi guys, let's go on holiday shopping with me. And I'm with my brother. Welcome to my 5 days before Christmas and today is D4. Yung agenda namin today guys is to do a holiday grocery shopping and I'm here with my brother right now. Voice over vlog lang to, so I'm not gonna be speaking so much. So, as I've said, voiceover vlog lang to kasi lahat na nilista ko is ready na. These are the things na uulamin namin and ihahanda namin sa Christmas. So, yun na yung mga binili ko. I focus on the poultry and vegetables and other things we need for Christmas. Medyo madami-dami rin yung kinuha ko kasi nga may bisita ako. By the way, Mega Mall now has a Pop Mart store. Here you go. After grocery, me and my brother went to Komoro Soba and because that is one of my favorite restaurants in Mega Mall and sobrang mura lang niya. Randomly ko lang to nahanap sa TikTok and this is one of the best. Binabalik-balikan ko talaga. Tignan nyo naman yung reaction ng brother ko dyan. And then I requested him to buy me turon. By the way, 6'7". Konting update. Done na kami mag-shopping and mag-lunch. Yung problem na lang nga namin ngayon is yung booking. Ayan, nag-EML. Base check. So, I obviously failed in vlogging the grocery because I'm really locked in kapag nag-grocery ako and hindi ako makapag-focus kapag video ako ng video. So, we're gonna do some restock. Commercial break muna kasi may dumating akong mga parcel so ipapakita ko sila sa inyo. Nabuksan ko na to but salaan siya ng mantika. Pintura! Next one, I'm pretty sure na ito yung rice cooker. So, this is our new rice cooker. I'm so happy that my fridge and my pantry are replenished. And ayun lang guys, have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.